In this video tutorial, we're looking at the kanji meaning dog. This is how it looked when it was originally used between 3,000 and 4,000 years ago, when they used to write characters on the oracle bones to try and foretell the future. You can see it's very clearly a picture of a dog on its side. We go a little more modern, between 2,000 and 3,000 years ago, and there we've got a much clearer image of a dog. We move forward to just over 2,000 years ago, and you can see it's starting to be stylized, and you can actually see there the 4 strokes that we have in the modern version of the character for dog. Let's have a look at the stroke order for the kanji for dog. Remember, the stroke order is top to bottom, left to right, and if the stroke goes from the top but down to the bottom, that doesn't count as a stroke at the top. So it's this one going across. That's our number 1 stroke. Then we go left, down here, that's our 2nd stroke. Our 3rd stroke towards the right goes down here, and our 4th stroke over here. And that's what's left of the dog's tail. So 4 strokes, very easy. Perhaps you could remember it as a beak, and then that tail makes it into a dog.